Join as I take on the challenge to get flat ABS fast with this killer weight loss workout. Achieving flat ABS quickly is a goal for many of us, but it can seem impossible with our busy schedules and ineffective workout routines. What if I told you there's a way to blast belly fat and reveal those elusive ABS in no time? Stuck in a rut, trying to lose weight and tone our midsection, but it just doesn't seem to be happening. One of the biggest challenges we face is finding the time to fit in a workout, let alone a good one. We're busy, we're stressed, and exercise often takes a backseat. Another challenge is creating a workout routine that actually targets the right areas and helps us achieve our goals. And let's not forget about the misinformation out there. We've all seen those fad diets and quick fixes that promise instant results, but often leave us disappointed and frustrated. It's time to take a different approach, one that focuses on a combination of effective exercises and healthy habits. Today, I'll be sharing a workout that's specifically designed to target belly fat and help you achieve those flat ABS you've always wanted. This workout is made up of a series of exercises that will not only burn fat, but also tone and strengthen your core muscles. We'll be covering everything from planks and crunches to mountain climbers and burpees. Each exercise is carefully chosen to provide maximum results in minimum time. Planks are amazing for engaging your core and improving your posture. We'll hold the plank for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and then repeat for a total of 3 sets. Next up is crunches, which target the rectus abdominis muscle, helping to flatten and tone your stomach. We'll do 3 sets of 15 reps, resting for 30 seconds in between sets. One of the most effective exercises in this workout is the Russian twist. This exercise targets the obliques, helping to burn fat and reveal those defined ABS. We'll do 3 sets of 15 reps on each side, resting for 30 seconds in between sets. Another key exercise is mountain climbers, which provide a great cardio workout while also engaging your core. We'll do 3 sets of 30 seconds, resting for 30 seconds in between sets. One of the most critical moments in this workout is when we move on to the burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that not only burn fat, but also tone your arms, legs, and core. We'll do 3 sets of 10 reps, resting for 30 seconds in between sets. This exercise is a game changer on how it can accelerate your results. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving flat ABS. It's not just about doing this workout once or twice, it's about making it a regular part of your routine. Combining this workout with a healthy diet and active lifestyle will help you achieve your goals faster and effectively. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more fitness tips and workouts. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.